My dear brothers and sisters, you heard in the gospel passage a sharp contrast between selfishness or greed and generosity. In the first reading, we heard of the selfishness or greed of the king who himself had vast properties, and yet he wanted more. And to get that more from a simple Israelite, he and his wife and others get involved, do away with him, and get that more. Does it happen in today's world? It does happen in today's world too, because all of us have the greed to have more. I'm not saying we should not work for more. We should first of all be satisfied with what we have. We should always aspire for more, but not using unjust means. The gospel passage speaks about generosity, asks us to go beyond the rules or forces of nature, rules made by man, an eye for an eye and a tooth for a tooth. Just ask us with a new tablet. When we are sick, we go to a doctor. We're not happy with that doctor, we go to another doctor. And we go on, so we get more and more new tablets. He's asking us today, try a new tablet to overcome the evil one. Forgive. Be generous. And if you try that and be generous, I'm sure you'll get the rewards. Jesus does not encourage injustice or passivity. He asks us in love to be generous, to be forgiving. And when we do that, we try that, we realize that this tablet works. We ask God in Mass today that we be satisfied with what we have, and we try this new tablet to overcome the evil one.